your texture is dried and you draw your peacock, first you apply bottle acrylic color, green and Persian blue, and apply with the brush. When it dried completely, we start our designing and patching with knife. Only blue color, which blue you have, green and little white effect. Don't wash your brush again and again and make random mixing step to create a good base only. Then we make it abstract with the knife. But when your texture is dried, only then you create this work. If your texture is not dried, please wait and do in the evening, not before that. Don't take water, only color. And leave center part as it is. Only painting's outer part you have to cover, not center part. Okay, your painting is look like this. This part is in green and this part is in blue and some white shading with bottle colors. Then we use our tube colors. Completing your second coat in full painting, you have to fill this part with white and light pink. White and light pink. I have this pink. If you have not this pink or you have this color, you can use. Or if you have not these two colors, take crimson red, add little white and make a pink color and cover this part with the light tone. After applying 2 coats of this complete painting, you have to do this part in one time only. Now I cover peacock body and sending you the video of peacock first base. Now again take a blue color and white and make peacock body completely. Here we use blue plus white for highlight and for a beak also. And this part we use dark blue for depth. And this part we use white. And mix this part like this in background. Strokes like this. And this type you cover your old painting with base color. Now we start our knife strokes and shading effects. Take yellow color in your palette knife like this and take this knife and spread it like this. Only touch the surface, upper part, and make like this. Don't press it too much, only touch upper part slightly. Okay? First you apply yellow with green, then we go with some other colors step by step. First you correct your background and then apply yellow, and then we start step by step other colors. Take pink color, light pink and white, and make strokes like this way. See the edges. I want this way your strokes. And if you are blending with blue or another color, if you are suppose blending, then your strokes like this. Not this one. This much you complete. Okay. And now we start our background. This fence of peacock. First we make a green color and dark green and lemon yellow and make like this strokes. Cover your canvas full with this type of strokes. Little bit in yellowish tone. And spread your knife like this pattern, this. Okay, so that our texture look visible. Don't press your knife too much, only gently. You have to spread your color with the help of knife, but very gently. Don't forcefully. Once again, take little bit more yellow. And apply somewhere you require. This area is much in yellow color, so now you take only yellow in your knife. Don't mix green. And apply like this. Now we start our peacock's fin. You need red color, pink color and light pink color. First you took red in your knife and put it like this. and then put little bit of pink, and pink is start from this part like this, your fen. Green is wet. Then took little whitish pink and put it like this. Take thick color and apply. When your green color is dried, you start to make your red color work. Take crimson and your knife and pick color like this and pour like this. Gently pour. This is red color feather. Now we make pink and light pink. 3 shades it's use. First you make red color in some area. See the thickness of color. If you don't get proper thickness, you make again. But make a thick and beautiful texture feather. And always work slowly. Because when you work slowly, you learn the technique. See, your red color feather is complete. Now I am showing you next one. Make a light pink, medium pink, same to same procedure. Pick color and spread like this, like this. Okay, you got the videos of 3 steps. Now I will sending you absolutely light one video, only red and white you use. See the look of feathers, only white and red make a pink, and use various shade of colors, only white and red, and make a pink color and complete your peacock's feather part. Then first we complete feathers with the help of yellow and orange dots, and then peacock. So this type you cover your peacock. I hope you get the pattern easily. This much is complete, and only center part is left. Now I'm completing this part and sending you. Now take white color, mostly white, and little bit of another color, mostly white, and make a absolutely lighter pink tone for center part, absolutely light tone, and fill the center part beautifully, overlapping. Where you required, you make a fan look and complete your board, your canvas with this technique. And now in the center part. I will show you. This part is filled with the yellow color dot. Just like in flowers, remember? Same to same yellow color dot. After drying this, you take little orange with your knife, spread like this in every part of red center. And clean your knife, take yellow, just press it. Like this way you complete all the fence part, peacock's feather, all the feather part you have to complete like this. First you apply orange and then yellow. Making you need Persian blue, cobalt blue and white. 3 colors you need: Persian blue, cobalt blue and white. See these shades: Persian, cobalt and white. First you take, you already cover the base. Now you take knife and apply Persian blue in this part. Put color like this in your knife and apply like this, only according to the shape. Apply. In this part only you apply Persian blue. Okay. Clean your knife and take cobalt blue and mix along them. Take cobalt blue and mix along them and clean your knife and put white in your knife and make some highlights like this. Only this pattern. And with the help of Persian blue, cobalt blue and white, make strokes like this in complete this area. Now take brush, any brush, and take white color and cobalt blue and make a medium tone and give a highlight where it required. Means like this portion is in highlighting, so make little highlight with brush and make little strokes, very little strokes, because you cover your peacock with only knife, not with brushes. Where you need, you apply. When you cover this part as much, take little bit of white color and apply in this part, because this is highlight part. And the beak you make with the help of brush. and complete beak part. First it's a base, then within a 10 minutes I will sending you detailing part of face. First you cover with Persian blue this part because this is depth part, so cover with Persian blue. Only this much you done. Your this part is completely done. Only eyes part and forehead part is left. I will sending you the video very soon.